Hola everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I made my vision board and set it as my lock screen. First step is to go to Pinterest and download all the images you'd like to put on your board.
What the dog doing?
Then go to picsart, select collage, and select 9 pictures to include in your board as the base. Adjust the ratio to 16:9 and adjust the thickness of the border based on your preference. Now you can play with your vision board by switching pictures and arranging according to your liking. And you can add photos if necessary. So in this part, I prefer to not have a background for this picture, so I select cutout and trace the area I want to keep. To remove the background, I select multiply and there you go.
What the dog doing?
I did the same procedure to this picture, except I removed the background using the eraser tool and selected multiply after. Next is to play around with your board. It's yours, so put pictures as much as you want.
What the dog doing?
Download and set as your lock screen. And there you go, you have your own vision board, and I hope this video helped. See you on my next video. Bye!